Ah, those are nice looking canards. Prototypes, but the real thing coming soon, also with the front splitter. You already have seen our first Vulcan Alpha project car. Aside from this, of course, which will never be finished.
Don't look at that.
Yeah, sure. And today, well, I hope our new project car that we'll be picking up will come with winter tires, which I highly doubt, so it will be an interesting solution. Anyway, by now, you may or may not know what we're picking up, but as a matter of fact, we'll be picking up 2 cars today. So first, we'll be going to pick up our other new car. And it's actually a funny story, because in 2021, our region was hit by severe floods, and back at the time I was having a press car from another manufacturer, which happened to be a performance wagon. And as the floods happened during the time, I started using the wagon by helping the local peoples, transporting supplies, helpers, etc, etc. But the manufacturer did not appreciate it and said you should not use the car for these kind of purposes. And that is when Ford stepped in and said, hey, we want to give you 3 transits or more, as many as you want, to help, simply help people. And that was actually a big win. Now, 4 years later, Ford is coming forward and saying like, hey, stop making your M3 Touring dirty. We have a better car for that. And since Gio and Stan really wanted a pickup truck forever, actually also shout out to BMW, because so far as I know, they like me using the car as much as I'm using it. Anyway, we're going now first to Ford to pick up our first badass pickup truck company car. Are you more excited about the project car or the Ford pickup truck?
Oh, the pickup truck.
The pickup truck.
The pickup truck.
These kids.
Actually, one important thing, at the end of this video, this car will be cleaned by someone who was also very important to us to help us out during the flood emergency of 21. Oh, so we already surpassed 21,000 kilometers on the car. Nice.
Oh, best car ever, dude.
The Vectra, yeah. Fast forward to Ford Werke GmbH in Cologne. And there it is. This yellow baby over there. Nice. You know, it's actually a cool color. I thought it was like yellow, 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 but it's not yellow. Ah, winter tires, fantastic. Oh, Lapo's already checking out the wing possibilities.
Yeah, it has a flat bed.
So flat bed, flat floor, what do you...
Hook.
Yeah, flat floor?
Flat floor.
Flat bed,
It'll be a
flat...
bit difficult, but...
Oh, look at that. Damn, with the yellow stitching and everything. Wanna check the engine? Because why not? It is actually a plug-in hybrid. To be honest, I didn't even check the specs. I know I asked for a tow vehicle to tow our upcoming project car once it loses the street ability. And I guess it can tow a lot. And seeing the advertisements from Ford, you can tow a lot out. Oh, we have a V6, I guess that's all we need to know. Oh, has an extra spare in the back. Leaf springs and spare.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, nice. Oh, dude, it even has power outlets. Is it UK spec?
Yeah. No, it's...
Oh, no, it's everything spec. I think it's multi-socket. Dude, it's super awesome. Fire up.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, brother. All right, Lapo, you'll be driving it then.
Yep.
So you can like figure out all the driving dynamics and see what...
I want to see the cruise control immediately.
Cruise control?
Yeah. That's my jam.
This has like some fancy sound system actually. Anyway, while Lapo is figuring out the brand new Ford Ranger plug-in hybrid, we'll be leaving now to the dealership to pick up our project car. Do you know what I just realized? This baby has a double wishbone front suspension.
Yes.
Yes.
Anti-dive.
Anti-dive.
Yeah, you can see it from the top wishbone. If you look at it, it's tilted.
Look at this baby once again as we're leaving. I just want to say that it was the intention that Fabio would hand over us the car, the same lovely fella and very known Nürburgring driver who gave us the Transits back in 21, and he's also a very famous face on behalf of Ford and all the other social media channels, but unfortunately he was not feeling well today, so I hope he gets better soon in time so we can do more laps on the ring, maybe not with Ranger, but with our upcoming car. Here we are, arriving to the Fort Vima Autohaus, where we have ordered our next project car. Show me the plates. VA 650, actually the very first VA license plate.
Oh yeah, true.
It is. Well, and here she is, Ford Mustang Dark Horse, our very first customer project car, because Nankang has bought the car and given it to us so we can build it into... What are we building it into?
Well, my idea is a time attack car, but we need to see. You guys are gonna see what it's gonna be.
Exactly. I think we have a clear idea and clear goals. We have some wishes and some dreams, but most importantly, it's going to be a very exciting journey. Together with Nankang, we have came up with a concept, with the idea that we want to build a car together. And first of all, massive thank you to Nankang for a decade-long support of me with their tires, with their amazing products, starting from Air 1 to CRS, and now with entrusting us with their project car. So as mentioned, we have ideas and goals, but most importantly, it's going to be a very exciting journey that we will take you along on by modifying the car slightly into a full-blown race, or in this case, most likely, time attack car. Lots of horsepower, lots of aero, but more importantly, the reason why we went for a Mustang is because ever since I drove the very first one 2 or 3 years ago, I was blown away by it. Having all the prejudices from Top Gear days that American cars cannot steer, no way. Mustangs can definitely steer, and with some minor upgrades it becomes a proper track car. And what can the car become with some really track focused and custom mods? I am very excited to see what we can build of this Ford Mustang Dark Horse with Vulcan Alpha Lapo Korinic expertise on it and some other partners involved. So yeah, I think let's bring her back to the ring, maybe do some rolling shots, some extra shots, but first, as Gio mentioned,
yes, please. We're going to the American place.
Before we go to the Nürburgring, we go to the Burger King. Okay, this needs to be fully Coyote engined, straight piped, the proper way of doing a time attack car. Although for a brand new 2025 car, this doesn't sound too bad. Back home, 2 Golfs, 2 Fords, 2 BMWs. That one's not ours though. Who wants a RSQ3, by the way? Best offer can take it home. Lots of parts are still on it. Oh, there she is. More project cars. That's not a breaking in the engine policy, bro. Completely out of warranty by now. I said that's not how you break in the engine.
That's fine. It's free revving.
Just go, you free revving. Ooh, pops and bangs. Or maybe that was the head gasket. Well, it's gonna be an exciting year. Oh wow! Listen to that turbo diesel. Oh damn! So we are back at Vulcan. It's already actually the 2nd day. We have also the GR86 that's leaving tonight to Spain to its giveaway winner. Finally, after like what? Year plus. Embarrassing, I know. And as mentioned at the beginning of this video, the M3 Touring will be cleaned at the end of this video by someone very special and relevant to 2021. Hello, Enrico.
Hello.
From the Sardine Bus. Yes.
This is the legendary Sardine Bus, yeah.
Legendary Sardine Bus. I hope I can find the fragment, or Gio will have to find the fragment. Basically, when the floods happened and we had all the volunteers, there were also way too many volunteers that the region could handle, so it was very difficult to get to some very heavily affected areas. This had also to do with the fact that there were also some people like pillaging, and police wanted to make sure there was like not too much traffic obstruction from the professional helpers as well. And some villages were on lockdown, and to get into them we had to smuggle people in a famous Sprinter, was it right?
Yeah, the Ford Custom Sprinter, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Like 30 plus people inside.
Yes, so we put lots of people in there. You were a driver, and then we came to the checkpoint and we said, oh no, we're just like there for the like...
just to help 3 people.
Yeah, well, 3 people were like living here, and then we're like full of people. Anyway, fast forward 4 years later, and Rico is having a nice cleaning company, which is very hard to find here at the Nürburgring because of all the local laws and etc, etc. And also simply because people don't want to work, not only here, anywhere else in the world. So hardworking people are very hard to find nowadays. And yeah, so the M3 Touring will finally be getting its cleaning after a week of being dirty, because that's basically accumulating dirt. Also, who knows, as mentioned, as hinted, with all the cars happening here, I mean, as of now, outside, it looks like a Vulcan dealership of used cars. Well, minus this is relatively new. Yeah, and broken cars and broken dreams. And inside is completely full. I'm gonna show it to you in a bit. We need a bigger space, and we have something in the works with multiple options. We're just confirming the best possible one as of now. And maybe we'll have also some detailing on site with us. But no promises as of now, because we need to secure the location ourselves, of course. So yeah, if you need a car clean in the future, we'll let you know when it happens. But give us a few more weeks time. Anyway, a quick fast forward of how it is going to be cleaned in a second. Let me show you on the inside as well. It's also very, very, very full. So we have, of course, the Civic, but also a Mustang has arrived. It's also dirty, so Rico is going to give it a bit of a clean up. And GT3 is on the lift. So clean, so shiny. Actually looks like a car again.